So that water is about 5 feet high in your living area here. What did you guys do on? Did you guys leave Wednesday night then?
Wednesday night.
Yeah, they come in a boat for us.
They come in a boat and got her and the
3 dogs and the girl
and the 2 girls. And then they said they were coming back to get me and my buddy with the German Shepherd. We were upstairs. They never came back for us, so we tried to swim. We tried to swim out here. I couldn't swim anymore, so my buddy, there was a plastic turtle floating by, and he said, grab a hold of that. Well, the current was so strong, it took me down, right down here into this yard, and I was hung up in trees. And then when they got to him, they finally came to me.
There's our coffee's still in there.
Yeah.
Oh, golly.